With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. The question that we are going to discuss now is thin-walled large cells which is present in the leaf epidermis and capable of contraction and expansion are. And the options are: first is guard cells, second is subsidiary cells, third is gland cells, and fourth is bulliform cells. Now let us discuss them one by one. The first is the guard cell. Now they are what? They are the modified epidermal cells. So they are modified epidermal cells, okay, and they are present where? They are present in the stomata and they help in regulating this opening and closing of the stomata, okay. So they do what? They help in regulating the opening and closing of the stomata, okay, and by this they perform what? They perform the process of transpiration. Okay, so they help in performing the process of transpiration. And if you see in this question, it is telling thin-walled cells. So they are not thin-walled, actually they are thick-walled in the middle. Okay, so they are thick-walled in the inner side. Okay, and they are thin on the outer side. So they are not completely thin-walled. So these this option is incorrect, that they are thin-walled large cells. No, they are thick-walled on the inner side, and on the outer side they are thin walls. So they are not completely thin-walled large cells. Okay, so this option is incorrect. Now if you look at the second option, it is telling subsidiary cells. Now these cells are also epidermal cells, that they are present around this guard cell. So they are present around the guard cells, okay, and they help the guard cell to have this opening and closing of the stomata, and that is why they also help in performing the transpiration, but they do not have the capability of contraction expansion. So this option is also incorrect. Now if you look at the third option, it is telling gland cells. Now gland cells, they are the special cells which are present in the plant and they secrete the substances, okay. So they do what? They secrete the substances and they do not have capability of contraction expansion also. So this option is also incorrect. Now let us see the last option, which is the bulliform cells. Now what are the bulliform cells? They are the large thin-walled epidermal cells. So they are large thin-walled epidermal cells. Okay, so they are large, thin-walled epidermal cells and they are present on the adaxial epidermis of the grass leaves, which is known as the bulliform cells, and they are involved in the contraction or rolling and expansion and unrolling of the leaf lamina. So they basically help in the rolling and unrolling, of what? Of the leaf, and that is how they contract and expand, okay. So basically they are what? They are also called as motor cells. Okay, so they are also known as motor cells and they are large bubble-shaped epidermal cells, okay, and they are present on the upper surface of the leaf of many monocots, okay, and they do what? They help in the rolling and unrolling of the leaf, okay, and by this it helps in reducing the water loss due to the evaporation. So this option is absolutely correct, that they are the thin-walled large cells which is present in the leaf epidermis and they are capable of contraction expansion by doing rolling and the unrolling of the leaf. So this option is correct. So option 4 is correct for our question. Okay, I hope this is helpful to you. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.